Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Turk. My name is Amanul Islam and in today's video we will learn about disease. In today's video we will learn in English. If you want to learn in Hindi, please comment. I will make a video in Hindi also. Let's start today's video. What is disease? This is the first question. This is our first question. What is disease? Disease is a period. You can say disease is a period in which a person or any other living thing is unhealthy. It's called disease. I think disease is clear, and next I will teach types of diseases, and there are 4 types of diseases. First, acute disease. Second, chronic disease. Third, non-infectious disease. Fourth, infectious disease. First, we will learn acute disease. The disease which appear for a very short time is called acute disease. For example, you can say small cough, common cold, and small pain. You can say the disease that is for very short time is called acute disease. Our next is chronic disease. The disease which appear for a long time is called chronic disease. You can say as example sugar and thyroid and others. You can say the disease that is for a long time is called our chronic disease. Next is non-infectious disease. This is very simple disease to learn. The disease from born is called non-infectious disease. The disease from born is called non-infectious disease. You can say also genetic disease is called non-infectious disease. Our next is infectious disease. This is love disease. Infectious disease means the disease grow by microorganism. You can say the disease is spread by microorganism. Do you know about microorganism? What is microorganisms? Do you know about organism? The living thing is called organism. Micro mean mini. Do you know? But I am telling you, micro mean mini. So organism, microorganism, mini organism, it means the organism we can't see by our naked eyes. We will take microscope to see them. This is called microorganism, and this spread disease is called non-infectious disease. We can prevent non-infectious disease. For example, I am telling you example first. For example, coronavirus. You can say diphtheria, typhoid, and others. How can we prevent? I am telling you some tips. And first tip is washing your hand cleanly, and most important thing is cleanness. You can prevent from these diseases, from coronavirus and other, by washing your hands, and cleanness. Most important is cleanness. Then today's video has been completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also, and like, comment. Thanks.